Good morning, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. I am down here in my sawdust pit, which is getting some sawdust in it. Before too long, I'm going to have to get a bucket elevator going to get the sawdust up out of here. But anyway, just doing a parts request for one of the subscribers that's working on a Corley sawmill like this one, and he is in need of these gears. So just wondering if anybody might know where there might be a set of them that he could get a hold of. If you would leave a comment, I'll make sure he gets the comment, and maybe he can find them to help him get his mill together and going. Thanks for watching.